my god, you said.
It's right. Don't mind the face. Don't mind the face. To me, this face is beautiful. It's
Cute.
always beautiful. But to you guys, it might be a terrible sight to look at.
This one's cute.
It is cute. Holly's coffee. So anyways, we have rain and we're just gonna do a little photo shoot. So that's what's gonna happen now. Coffee shop and we're gonna go check it out. We're not gonna buy any coffee.
Just
check it out for later. Yeah, it's called Santorini Coffee. Right there, Santorini. All right, really good news. The rain has stopped and we found this awesome place.
Starbucks.
Not Starbucks.
I like it.
Whenever I start making a video, she has to come in and ruin it. Why? Why? We found this amazing little park inside the city.
The blue line will take us to Myeongdong.
Are you tired?
A little.
A little too. I mean, it's a steep climb. Look. You're killing me. But check the view. Totally worth it.
This one looks so tricky. And they're still happy. Half day today, full day tomorrow.
More than half day, it's only 1 p.m. here. We found a tunnel. We have to go down the tunnel. Whoa, this is like, holy shit.
Yeah.
My hair is touching the top.
You are touching the top. Oh, it's easier to walk here.
Let's do it. Yeah, for sure. Look at that. Went from struggling to actually a nice walk in the park. Bit down that way is a smoke room. They have this box where all people who smoke cigarettes go into it. It's weird because it's got a roof in it. They must smell terrible, but that's where you go to smoke. I want to make a video for you guys, but it's quite difficult. There's so many people in there.
You just have to
I have to pretend. Yeah, I'll just walk by it and gotta be very careful not to be spotted. Gotta pretend to be a tourist. I guess I don't have to pretend. I am a tourist, but still, I have to make it very incognito. Here goes nothing because it's right after this turn on the right side. Okay, got it. Yeah, it's right there. Right there, guys. That's the smoke box. I don't think there's a fan. They're outside. But that bothers me that they don't have like an open roof at all. I could smell it a block away.